In 3 weeks, I hit 10K followers on TikTok. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Romani. Today we're going to be talking about TikTok. I have a lot to say about it. I have a lot of advice. I have some tips. I have some comments, some thoughts. So if you want to hear all of that, then stick around. This video is going to be broken up in chapters, so you can just kind of like click through if you want to see a specific part. But of course, I want you to watch the entire video. So like everybody else, I started my TikTok around 2020 during the quarantine. We were all stuck in the house and we were doing the crazy dance challenges. You know what I mean. But after quarantine, I didn't really find myself gravitating towards TikTok. I was still an Instagram girl. And like I would see people making TikToks, but it just really wasn't doing it for me. I just couldn't see myself doing dance challenges all the time. So I never really bothered with it. But then around 2021, I started hearing that you could create more than just dance videos on TikTok. So I'm like, okay, I got back on it and I started posting videos, but I wasn't really seeing what I wanted to see. And just to clarify, I did have a personal TikTok, but right now I'm talking about my business TikTok. So I was using my personal TikTok during quarantine, stopped using it, and I did have a business TikTok that I didn't really post on. I'm a personal trainer, by the way, so when you hear me talk about business, it's my personal training business. So then fast forward to 2021, I was not posting on my personal page when I got back on TikTok. I was posting on my business page. So when I say that I wasn't seeing the results that I wanted to see, I just mean I was not seeing any sales. Like all of my sales were coming from Instagram and I was trying to be on TikTok, but it wasn't really doing anything for my business. So at the end of 2021, I got this book for Christmas and it was called the 12-week year. And it basically just says that you have to do the same things every single day for 12 weeks. Since I knew I wanted to grow my business TikTok, one of the things that I made myself do was post at least 3 TikToks a day, which might seem like a lot to some people, but I have so much content because I'm always either recording my clients or I'm recording myself working out, so I could push out 3 TikTok videos a day. A TikTok video can literally be 6 seconds long, so it's not really a big deal for me. So I remember that I started off this 12-week year with 3,000 followers. I had hit 3,000 literally on January 1st, 2022. So every single day I posted 3 times a day, and in 3 weeks I hit 10K followers on TikTok. Now, majority of that was just because I was consistent and people started to gravitate more towards my videos and TikTok started to push my videos out more. But I also did have a situation, shall we call it. I had a workout video reach 1 million views, was very happy about it. And then all of a sudden I started getting the worst hate comments on my video. I was still unfamiliar with TikTok, so I didn't realize that there was a category or like a tab at the top where you could see your mentioned. So in my head, I'm just like, maybe people don't like the workout video. But no, somebody stitched my video and was basically talking about how the exercise was wrong. And let me preface with this. I don't mind getting constructive criticism, but I just feel like y'all overdo it on TikTok. And I'm not gonna say who the account was, but their platform is literally geared towards stitching people's videos and correcting them. It's like, I understand that you want to educate your following, but do it with your content. I think that is, I don't even really have a word for how I feel about it. Like, if you have a platform geared to stitching other people's videos and talking about it, it's just giving, get a life. But I'm not even gonna bring myself back to that moment. But basically that's what happened. Somebody had stitched my video, and when I finally realized that you could like see your mentions, it was like days ago, and that's why I have been getting an influx of hate comments. Oh, and I also didn't mention that this person had millions of followers. So can you just imagine how many people were going on my video because this person stitched it? It was just a mess. And I was very upset about it, and I even made another video about it. Like, I was heated. But then like a day and a half later, after I looked at my TikTok and I saw my stats and I saw that the video that was at 1 million was at 1.2 million and then 1.3 million, I stopped caring about the comments because I had to realize all publicity is good publicity. Even though this person stitched my video and was doing whatever they was doing on the video, it got me a lot of engagement, which got me a lot of followers, which translated into a lot of sales. Maybe I'll make another video about negative comments and how to deal with it, but now I literally love love when people don't like a video. And I know that that sounds crazy, but when people don't like a video, they're going to go to the ends of the earth to let you know that they don't like it. And your engagement is going to get higher and higher. And like they hate it, but they don't even know that they're hyping you up. That actually happened on YouTube the other day. I made a video and this one guy commented 3 comments about how he hated it. And all I could respond back was, sir, thank you for watching the entire video. Because I didn't know if y'all watched my entire videos on YouTube, but he showed me that, yes, y'all watch my videos. Watch time went up. That's all I'm saying. But yeah, so I just continued to post my workout videos, post my clients, and my followers continued to go up and my sales continued to go up. But I have had some stagnant times. So like I'll have some times where I'm actually losing followers instead of gaining followers, or I'm staying at the same follower count. And it is kind of frustrating, especially if you've been seeing steady growth and then it's like it just stops. But I always have to remind myself, like, I'm going to come back from this. I just have to think of something that is going to be a great video concept. So if you're losing followers or you're just not really seeing the results that you want when it comes to followers, you may be losing followers, don't trip. Just go back to the drawing board. Think, how can I make a video that is going to do very well on TikTok? All right, so let's talk about my new TikTok, which is not really new. It's my personal TikTok that I never used. Since I was able to grow my fitness TikTok to 60K, I was like, I might as well start doing my own personal TikTok, because there are just certain things that I want to post on TikTok that don't really fit in with my fitness aesthetic, or like my fitness page. It's not about my clients. Like, it'll literally just be my life. And I'm like, I don't want to post that on my fitness page. So let me go on my personal page. So yeah, nonetheless, I have a personal TikTok now, and these are some of the things that I'm going to implement. A lot of these things is just what I notice on TikTok. I notice that TikTok pushes it. I notice what kinds of videos TikTok pushes, the language. I also have a business degree, so I'm amazing when it comes to marketing. Storytelling. People on TikTok love storytelling, and it doesn't matter how you do it. You could be doing something, like you could be doing an activity and then you have a voiceover telling a story that's completely different to what you're doing. Like, I'll see people cleaning their house and then they'll have a voiceover of a crazy thing that happened to them last week. Or you could create a day in the life video and narrate the video. But if you're going to do a day in the life, all I'm going to say is just make it genuine. Don't try to have somebody else's day in the life if that is not your life. Like, if you would never have that day if it wasn't for you creating content, don't try to have that day. The best way to create a day in the life is literally to just record what you're doing. And even if you think that it is super boring, you could still capitalize off of that. If the video is boring, maybe it could be boring day in my life, boring day as a 23-year-old. Make it something even though you feel like it's nothing. Something else that I'll be implementing on this new TikTok. Why do I keep calling it a new TikTok? Something else that I'll be implementing on my other TikTok is POVs, which stands for point of view. I see TikTok push out so many POVs. It's because people want to feel involved, or like they want to feel like they can relate to you. So a point of view, if somebody else also has that point of view, they're going to engage with that video. Another thing is trending sounds with like a voiceover. So like if it's a trending funny sound and like you're doing something that matches that sound, those always do good. They're either gonna think it's funny or relatable, but either way, they're going to engage. I personally feel like the main 2 things that you should be on TikTok is yourself and consistent. Be yourself and be consistent. You don't have to make content like another creator, and you don't have to make super detailed and intricate content if that's not your thing. And as far as consistency, you set the schedule. Somebody else cannot set your schedule for you. If you know that you can push out 1 TikTok a day, then that's great. If you can do 1 TikTok a week, that's great. But just stay consistent and put yourself on a schedule. And don't really think of fast growth, because if you don't see it, then you're going to be upset and you're going to feel discouraged. Just create the content and put it out there. Create content because you enjoy creating content, not because you want 1 million followers. And if you do want 1 million followers, that's great, but you know that you have to have a plan, a reasonable plan that's going to get you those 1 million followers. I feel like I had a lot more to say, but because I'm low on storage and the camera keeps stopping, I'm just going to stop the video. That is all for the video. But thank you guys for watching this video. Please follow my TikToks and make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can see more videos. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.